Welcome to 918 Tristan Street, where you will find new granite counters and no carpet in this 3 bedrooms and 2 baths brick home. All new paint in this ready-to-move-in split 3 bedrooms floor plan. Enjoy a lovely vaulted ceiling in the great room with double French doors to the back patio. The kitchen has new granite counters and is completed with a stove, dishwasher, microwave, and side-by-side refrigerator. This brick home was built in 2006 and has approximately 1308 heated square feet of living area. It also has a 1-car garage, privacy fenced backyard, 1 owner, and is within walking distance to Kingsbury Elementary School. The seller is providing a 1-year America's Preferred Home warranty to the buyer. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer entrance greets you upon entering the front door. It has luxury vinyl plank flooring, measures 5 feet 2 inches by 4 feet 5, and leads to the great room. The great room has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, French doors that lead to the patio, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and measures 14 feet by 13 feet 4 inches. The hall leads to the guest bedrooms and guest bath. The eat-in area has luxury vinyl plank flooring and measures 12 feet 2 inches by 10 feet. The kitchen has new granite counters and appliances that include a stove, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator that all remain with the home. The kitchen has luxury vinyl plank flooring, measures 11 feet 11 inches by 11 feet 2, and leads to the garage. The great room has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, and French doors that leads out to the patio. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, luxury vinyl plank flooring, a private bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 15 feet 2 inches by 13 feet 5. The private master bath has vinyl floors and measures 10 feet by 7 feet 3 inches. The master walk-in closet measures 4 feet 8 inches by 3 feet 10. The hall to the guest rooms is located off the great room. Bedroom 2 has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a closet, and measures 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 7. The guest bath is located in the guest hall. It has vinyl flooring and measures 8 feet by 4 feet 11 inches. Bedroom 3 has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a closet, and measures 11 feet 5 inches by 11 feet.